Sorry. I don't know if I'm the only one that's going through this right now, but for the past 2 weeks, I've been trapped in my bed, like in my house, not being able to go outside because man's got this mad like illness, fam. I don't know what it is, but fam, man's just coughing every. I'm feeling hot and cold at the same time. My eyeballs hurt. My body's like in pain, like I'm aching, like my legs, my whole side, like my body, like I have to turn every 2 seconds. I'm in so much like pain. I'm coughing so much to the point that my throat's hurting. Why? No diddy. But yeah, my head is just spinning like crazy, like heavily. My nose keeps on running, like to the point that the inside of my nose right now, I don't want to show you because I don't want to make you guys feel disgusted. But the inside of my nose right now is like cut up, like because my nose just been running bare in it right now. Man's just going through it right now, fam. Jano.